Eid is just around the corner, and we all wanted to look presentable on this, so here is an ultimate Eid glow-up guide with you. As a hijabi, I know how important it is to look and feel our best, especially during special occasions like Eid. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into top 20 tips to help you glow from the inside out. First, let's talk about dressing. When it comes to Eid, you want to look polished and put together. To achieve this, choose a hijab that matches or complements your outfit. This will create a cohesive look that's perfect for Eid celebrations. Next, add some elegance to your hands with a beautiful henna design. You can choose a simple or intricate design, depending on your style. Just make sure it's not too bold or overpowering. Now, let's talk about shoes. Elevate your outfit with the right shoes. For a traditional look, opt for kuso or heels. Make sure they're comfortable, too. Also add a pop of color to your outfit with beautiful bangles. You can choose bold and bright colors for more subtle and elegant designs. Finally, add a touch of glamour with statement accessories, like earrings or rings. Now that we've covered dressing, let's move on to skincare. Glowing skin is essential for Eid, so make sure you follow these tips. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and plump. Aim for at least 8 cups a day. Exfoliate your skin 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and reveal glowing skin. Treat yourself to a face mask the night before Eid to give your skin an extra glow. Moisturize your skin regularly to keep it soft and supple. Get enough sleep to ensure you look rested and radiant on Eid. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Here the skincare tips is also checked. Let's talk about hair care. Healthy, shiny hair is essential for Eid, so make sure you follow these tips. Wash and conditioner your hair the day before Eid to ensure it's clean and manageable. Style your hijab with care, using a loose undercap and avoid tight bun under hijab. Apply a hair serum or coconut oil on the length to maintain your hair health. Now, let's move on to makeup. Natural enhancing makeup is perfect for Eid, so make sure you follow these tips. Opt for a natural makeup look that enhances your features without looking too done up. Highlight your eyes with a swipe of eyeliner or a coat of mascara. Add a touch of blush to give your cheeks a healthy, rosy glow. And there you have it, beauties, my ultimate Eid glow-up guide. Remember, Eid is a time for celebration and joy, so don't stress too much about looking perfect. Just have fun, be confident, and own your look.